anyone do OMAD the day after a cheat day of eating? One meal a day. So, OMAD, if you're not familiar with it, is the one meal a day diet. I haven't done this for a long time. I used to mess around with alternate day fasting, and I did a one meal. I ate all my calories at noon and didn't eat again until the next day at noon. This person finds themselves doing it to get themselves back on track after a bad slash cheat day of eating. So one of the first things I'm thinking here is probably not the best relationship with food. If you have a cheat day, clearly you're restricting yourself to some degree. Maybe you're restricting yourself so much in your diet that the cheat day you're just going balls to the wall and feel like you need to go all out. So that's something I would consider first. Maybe try not to go super strict in your diet and then maybe sprinkle in some cheat foods at the same time. And then for doing the OMAD the day after cheating, you're basically punishing yourself for cheating, and you cheated because you punished yourself in your diet. So at the end of the day, it's a lot of psychological harm going on here, and you might not realize it or look at it that way, but you're rewarding yourself and then punishing yourself and then rewarding yourself, and it's just this never-ending stream. So, although it doesn't always work for people where they can just fully, keep a little bit of dessert in their diet, or just like have a couple cookies every night, I totally do that myself, and I recommend if you can slip in some of those foods, by all means. Also, instead of a cheat day, consider a cheat meal. So maybe Saturday you're going to go out with your friends and have wings and beer or whatever. That's your cheat meal. The next day, do not worry about it. Do not worry about it. I would try to keep it in the same calories the best you can for that day. So try to maybe eat less on that day on the other ones. But if you're not cutting, this is a big thing here. If you're maintaining or even bulking, just really don't worry about it. And also, if you don't do it that often, if you literally cheat like once a month, once every 3 months, somebody's birthday, an event, a big sporting event like the Super Bowl, if that's all you do it, seriously, it's like it didn't even happen. One bad day of eating is not going to harm you, just like one good day of eating will not help you.